Alright everybody, it is the next day and it's raining again. Yay! That's right, it's winter in the deep south, so it's gotta rain every 3 to 4 days, sometimes every couple of days. It's fucking great. Anyway, that's better than it has been in years past. At least I have somewhere to do experiments in the rain. So this is our potassium osmate that is still in the melt. All I did was cover the tube with some parafilm last night, so it hasn't been exposed to the air. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to add a little bit of water to this, and I'm going to gently heat it in order to dissolve the melt. I'm going to have to be very careful with it because molten potassium hydroxide will eat away at glass, and I don't know. I mean, there's little flecks here, little white flecks that are definitely on the inside, and I'm not sure what they are, but I don't want this thing to break open. So we're going to heat this thing up very carefully in a boiling water bath and just let it dissolve, and then we will precipitate out the barium osmate and we will have our product. So I will come back when this is ready to go into the hot water bath. It is getting there, it's happening. Wow, that is beautiful. Look at that. That is absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful and deadly. Now what's interesting is that it looks much more red through the camera than it does in real life. In real life, it's more of a, I don't even know, I guess kind of a reddish brown, or brownish red. It's really hard to tell. Alright, have we got it yet? Oh, I think there's some metal that didn't react in there that I can hear. Yep, that is absolutely the case. Alright, well, or it's just a piece of the melt. I can still see a little bit of it in there. Well, that's okay. We're going to go with this as our solution of potassium osmate, from which we are going to make the barium osmate. So I'm going to let this cool down to room temperature, and then we will move on to the next step. Let's see. I don't know if you can see it or not, but not all of the osmium metal reacted. There is a tiny little piece down there at the bottom. So, it looks like there's a couple of little pieces actually. So, I mean, it didn't all react. That's interesting. I guess I should have kept the flame on it longer. This is our solution of potassium osmate, and what I'm going to do now is get the stirring going here, and then I am going to add what will be an excess of barium acetate solution. And would you look at that? That is phenomenal. Although not the color I would have expected. But, so far as I know, there's nothing else it could be. That's got to be it. Alright everybody, when everything was said and done, this is what I've got. So far as I know, it is barium osmate. I know that potassium osmate if made by this method, and if it's precipitated by the addition of alcohol, will produce a grayish violet solid according to the literature. So, I mean, although it's not red like barium ruthenate, and which I would have initially expected this to be red as well, apparently it's going to be more like iridium and give us something that's more of a grayish brown. But I mean, this is it. This is barium osmate. So there you go, people. We finally did it. An osmium compound. Woohoo! We have arrived. We're officially one of the cool kids now. Anyway, if y'all have liked this, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give it a thumbs down. If you think I've earned it, please subscribe, share the video. That's always awesome. Please comment. Definitely love the comments and all the insights that y'all have. Y'all have no idea how much I learn from you in the comments. So, please, I love it when we have awesome conversations. So, anyway, until the next video, y'all, I will see you later.